Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Stardust Siren. Today I'm going to be unboxing the March Tamed Wild subscription box. This is my third one from them. I saw in the preview on their website and their Instagram, there are a lot of exciting things in this box. I can't wait. With that being said, let's jump right in. I did notice right away that there is soil or dirt coming out of the box, but that's okay. So I believe the theme is Ostara this month, which I'm still learning and researching about. But here's the box with the beautiful vines on the sides and then the Tamed Wild with the moon phases on the back. So let's open it up. Oh my goodness. Let's see what we got. Oh, this is new. Okay, I'm just going to move the box off to the side here. Okay, Tamed Wild, Home to the Highlands giveaway. Okay. Alright, so it tells me that I've been entered and when the drawing will be. Cool. Alright, and everything is just covered in dirt. Alright, here is the ritual tools. Here is the Ostara card. So I guess it's not really a ritual this month. I guess it talks about the holiday, but here is that. You can pause that and read it. And then let's see what we got in the box. So first thing, covered with dirt, is the Ostara Artisan Herbal Tea. Contains chamomile and peppermint. And suddenly, you just know, it's time to start something new and trust the magic of new beginnings. When the wheel turns another spoke, we find ourselves again at the beginning. As the earth reawakens and comes to life, so do we. Enjoy this simple yet powerful blend in the morning at the start of spring rituals and to honor goddesses Bridget, Flora, and Ostara. Okay. I love their teas. Some loose leaf tea in there. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh, okay, this bag's really pretty. I love compass roses. North of Stella. I believe this is their jewelry line. And you can also do a subscription box for just their jewelry and get a new jewelry piece every month. So, oh yeah, it's a necklace it looks like. Let me open this up. Okay, this is such a pretty necklace. It's a layered chain, so there's actually two chains, and then it has the small gold crescent moon, and then I believe this is black onyx crystal there. So it's a shorter chain. It's really pretty though. I really like that. I was hoping this would come in the box. I didn't know if I was going to get one or both pieces, but it looks like they're attached together. So that'll be pretty to wear. And then let me see. We have this box with the Egyptian like picture on the cover or on the front. So let's open it up. Wow, it's so pretty. So I think this is a perfume bottle. I think I put that in the wrong way. I think it goes like this. So I saw there was different options for this as well. It would come in different colors and I think a few different shapes. So I got the blue one. Something else wrapped in bubble wrap here. This soil is just everywhere. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, so it comes with a little stand, and it is an egg made out of stone or agate. And I got a gray one. I think there was different colors of these as well. That is so cute. And that's definitely going on my shelf. And I think this is the last item. This is the, I think it's called a resurrection plant. It basically like hibernates when it's dry, and then when you add water, it blooms back to life. So I'm assuming this is where the soil is coming from. And there it is. It seems kind of delicate. There's a few pieces falling off in the box, but there's the roots. So I'm just gonna set that on my paper right there. And one last check in the box. I think that's it. All right, now I'm going to read the card just to go over the tools. Okay, so the first item on the card is the agate egg. If we were to pick one item to represent rebirth, new beginnings, regeneration, and the fertile essence of Ostara, it would be the bountiful egg. For this ritual, this agate egg represents you or any number of intentions that you've planted since the winter solstice. Since the dark months are more about planning than doing, this box combines our stored energy with that of the spring equinox to celebrate the return of the sun and awaken our magical potential. Okay, so there's my stone agate egg. The next item is the Egyptian perfume bottle. Use this vessel to store leftover solar-charged water from the ritual. Incorporate this potion into any number of future magical workings. It's also helpful to awaken cacti, succulents, freshly planted seeds, or other plants that are dormant in the winter months. Okay, so I got the blue one, the pretty glass perfume bottle. The next item is the Rose of Jericho. Although this plant's crispy exterior gives off the impression that it's well past its expiration date, the Rose of Jericho's unassuming appearance is part of its magical appeal. Appropriately referred to as the resurrection plant, this sleeping flower grows up to 5 times its current size when placed in a shallow bowl of water. When removed from its life source, the plant begins to shrink. It wraps its leafy arms around its center to protect its remaining energy and prepare for hibernation. Okay, so there's our Rose of Jericho. And then we also have Ostara herbal tea. Brew a cup of Ostara herbal tea post-ritual to ground the body and nourish the spirit. The soothing yet invigorating properties of peppermint and chamomile make this an ideal blend to settle a nervous stomach and awaken dormant creativity. And the last item is the North of Stella moon necklace. Brought to you from our sister company, North of Stella, wear this necklace to connect with the energies of the moon, even during seasons dedicated to the sun. Okay, it doesn't tell me if it's black onyx or not, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And then I love this Ostara artwork, the moon and the egg. And then here is the ritual. Again, I'll have to clean this a little bit. It's really dusty from the plant that was in there. But if you want to pause and read that, and I will be back in another video to go through this and to basically do what the ritual says. I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.